Okay, we're going to go ahead and do exercise 2 in chapter 2. And I'm going to do it live in front of all of you. This is out of PPP, Programming and Principles by Bjorn Bootstrap. So the exercise asks us to convert input miles into kilometers. So we'll go ahead and begin with our method int main. Let's go ahead and include our library that we're going to need, which is include IOStream. I'm in a Mac, we don't have good support for modules just yet, hopefully soon enough, so we'll keep using the old style. We'll need a double miles, and let's go ahead and initialize it to 0.0, and we'll need double kilometers, 0.0 as well, just for the time being, wanting to keep initialization available to us right away. And then we need our conversion factors, so double conversion, and we'll use, as the book recommends, 1.609. Okay, so let's go ahead and write this over here, send C out. Please enter distance in miles. And then we're going to go ahead and read the value into the miles variable. Now that we have the value in miles, we'll go ahead and say that kilometers is equal to miles times the conversion value that we had. And we'll put out a nice error and say, we'll go ahead and say that miles in kilometers is, and that should be our result, and we'll say we'll return 0. Let's go ahead and capitalize this over here, just like so. And we'll go ahead and run our current file here. And we're going to get this over here. Let's go ahead and type it in on the bottom. So let's say we enter 23.5 miles, and we get 23.5 miles in kilometers. Okay, so there's, we can see there's a % sign on the end. That's because we're not flushing the output. So let's go ahead and flush the output over here as well. Make sure we get rid of that. And we'll do the same thing. Let's do a different value, 11.75, and then we get that in kilometers. And that is it. That's essentially the whole exercise. We put in the value in miles. We then go ahead and save it in kilometers, and we're done.